Can.
Surely you cannot.
You can do it. It's a thing. I'm being serious. Like there's this great YouTube video that I watched where they compared different keyboards and how effective it was to put a keyboard in the washing machine. And the most effective way to wash your keyboard is to take the caps off and put it in the washing machine, but don't use any of the detergent stuff. You just use water to wash it.
This is rage bait, by the way. This is rage bait.
It does, because as long as the keyboard dries, you got to leave it for like 5 days to dry.
5 days?
Well, yeah.
What?
Well, you got to make sure it's completely dry.
Yeah,